So today we're going to go to a new restaurant that I saw on Google Maps called The Nature, and the pictures are so beautiful. I mean, just the presentation of the food. All of their rice comes colored with natural colors, so you can get blue and purple rice, so it just looks really beautiful. And it almost looks like they're on maybe like a garden or some sort of like maybe a marsh, because there are all of these lily pads and lotus flowers just all around the pictures. So it looked so beautiful. You know, that's the other thing though. I feel like every single time I go to a place, I always have these plans on what I'm gonna do when I go there, and I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go see this and on this, and I'm gonna go on this tour, whatever. And then as I'm going around and like experiencing these touristy things, there's also this other side of like living that you find out when you arrive here, and it's usually like talking to locals or talking to your cab drivers or the tour guides that you take. You know, usually they have some stuff to tell you, you know, about like, oh, well, actually don't go to this place, you should go here instead. And they always have these like really interesting, maybe like lesser known activities on the island or places to go visit. These are the edible flowers she was telling me about. So as she was making my drink, which is a tea made of flowers, she actually came out here and plucked some of these, and I saw her plucking them and put them into the drink as well as the food too. This giant ass cicada here. Oh my god. Looks like they're drying out some bananas.